Let's take a look at some work for number 5. Lex says that 1/6 shaded and 5/6 unshaded create the one hole right here. Is he correct? What are your thoughts? Say your answer out loud. I heard you say that you agree with Lex because our denominator is 6. So the whole must be split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. If we count the 1/6 shaded and the 5 more 6 unshaded, this should give us a total or a whole of 6/6 or 6 1/6 pieces. Let's try it. 1/6. Now we need 5 more 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more 6 gives us a total of 6/6. There are 6 total pieces because our whole is broken into 6 equal parts. Nice work. Thanks for your help here. As you jump into your exit ticket, keep in mind that the fractional parts, when combined, should equal one whole, or the total number of parts in one whole.